Lucera, you look happy. She's wear them kids out for me, please.
How old are they now?
They're 6 weeks old on Monday. Yesterday they were 6 weeks old. That's it.
Oh,
You got your sister. I got her by the tail. Hey, he's pulling her tail. He's not letting go. Pop. Puppies. Little dittos. Wee ones. Come here, pop.
Where'd you come from?
Puppies. Come on, puppies. Pups. Come on. Puppies. There's a puppy. There's a puppy. Hey, little one. Hi, little Freckles. Hi, little Frosty. You guys are getting hot, huh? We need to get the women pool out for you guys. Yeah, we do need to get the women. Gray eyes right now. What are you doing? What? Somebody holding you? Are you a 10-digit little baby girl? Oh, bite yourself. Go get in. Why are they not getting in?
I don't know.
Over there. Oh no, it's puppies on the loose. Pups. Little snot. No, bet I will, puppy. Thank you. Take it. You see that?
What?
I was getting kissed by your puppy.
He kisses? I didn't get any kisses yet.
I took kisses.
How about his name? I think you should do that one.